Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 screenshot not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps, type Snipping Tools, click 3 dots, click Advanced Options. Select Always under Background Apps Permissions. Repair and reset. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update keyboard driver. Third method is adjust date and time settings. Turn off and turn on set time automatically. Fourth method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. And Task Snipping tool. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. Sixth method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard. Turn off Use the print screen key to open screen capture. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.